All right, so what I'm going to show you in this video is how to configure the words get in touch. Now, we had to make a choice in whether or not to add a major update to the framework for this one small feature or just do a video to show you how to change it. It's pretty straightforward to go and change it, but to go and add in a feature that is managed by the entire framework just for this one item in this one template, it was quite a bit of work. So we opted just to do this video here. So how do we change this text? What you do is you go to the dashboard and then you move on to appearance and then editor. And this is where we're going to go and edit the footer file. So we move on down to footer. Now, if you don't have this update file button here, what it means is that your server is not set up with the right permissions. And that means that you don't have right permissions for this file. I would recommend that if that's the case and you need to change this, you can do one of two things. One of three things. First thing is shrug your shoulders and move on to something else. It might not be acceptable for you. So the other options are to access this one file via FTP if you have an FTP client. If you don't, the third option is to contact your web host and ask that they modify the right permissions for the theme folder to allow for you to modify these files. So moving along, what we're going to do here is we're just going to move to, well, actually it's right here, the words get in touch. So I'm just going to add a couple extra exclamation points there just so you can see that I've made an update here, and that's where you go to make the change. We're going to go back and reload. Here we go. Now it's got a few extra exclamation points there. So that's all you need to do is you just go into that file, change that text, and it'll change it across the entire website. Hope you find that helpful.